The verdict in Johnny Depp's trial against his ex-wife Amber Heard has been finalized by a judge weeks after she was found liable for defamation. On Friday, Judge Penny Ezekade finalized the jury's verdict in court documents obtained by Access Hollywood, which, according to reports, seals off any possibility that the two actors could reach a last-minute settlement. The finalized verdict states that Heard owes Depp over $10 million, while Depp owes her $2 million. The judgment also states that if Heard appeals the verdict, she would have to post bond equal to the entire amount of the judgment plus 6%, adding up to an additional $621,000. Heard's spokesperson indicated to NBC News that the actress plans to appeal the verdict, writing in a statement, quote, "As stated in yesterday's congressional hearings, you don't ask for pardon if you are innocent, and you don't decline to appeal if you are right." Depp's team has refused to comment at this time. On June 1st, a Virginia jury sided with Depp's claims that his ex-wife Amber Heard had defamed him in a 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post in which she described herself as a survivor of domestic abuse, but did not mention Depp by name. The finalized verdict states that Depp will be awarded $10 million in compensatory damages. At the time, the jury also awarded him $5 million in punitive damages, but that amount was reduced by the judge to $350,000, the state of Virginia's statutory cap. The finalized verdict also states that Heard will be awarded $2 million in damages after finding that one of the statements Depp's former attorneys, Adam Waldman, made to the Daily Mail was defamatory to the Aquaman actress. The Pirates of the Caribbean star's attorneys objected to that $2 million judgment according to court docs. The 6-week trial was heard around the country and had several standout moments. One of Depp's lawyers, Camille Vasquez, became the talk of social media for her courtroom approach. And she also quickly became an inspiration for young girls everywhere. In her first one-on-one TV interview since the victory in court, Camille talks exclusively with Access Hollywood's Mario Lopez and gets personal, recalling a touching story about a mother who drove her daughter to the defamation trial just so she could watch the powerhouse Latina attorney at work.
I remember grabbing my daughter and saying, "See, Gia? See, then he goes, that you can be that girl right there that's on TV." But not just for other young Latinas, for other young girls in general. It's got to be very inspirational.
Absolutely. I was in trial and I had a mother drive her to watch the trial. During one of the breaks, she stopped me and she made me cry because she said, "I took my daughter out of school. It was important enough because I wanted her to meet you." And, you know, she said there aren't role models out there, young, female, Hispanic role models for her to look up to, and you've been that for her. So thank you. And I was really touched by that. And I don't know how it happened, but other than I was just doing my job.